Welcome to Embird UK. Today I want to talk to you about the brand new version of Embird that has just been released, Embird 2020. When you navigate to embird.co.uk, you will see this big button here that says Upgrade 2020. When you click on this button, it will tell you everything you need to know about the new added features and the improvements of Embird 2020. The idea behind this video is not to give you a detailed explanation of all the added features and the improvement of Embird 2020 because the list is quite extensive. The idea behind the creation of this video is to show you where to go to find the information that you need in regards to the improvements and the added features of Embird 2020. So when I scroll down, you will see there are loads of new added features and improvements of Embird 2020. The second reason for creating this video is to show you how to upgrade to Embird 2020 should you wish to. So how do I upgrade? Upgrade to Embird 2020 from previous versions of Embird, for example from Embird 2019 and older, is a paid upgrade. Upgrade from version 2019 and older to Embird 2020 requires a new main registration password. The registration numbers for all plugins from previous Embird versions are valid in Embird 2020. However, the plugins are not functional until you insert the new main registration password. Here you can see the upgrade fees. So say for example you would like to upgrade from Embird 2018 or 2019 to Embird 2020. The cost will be $35. Here is a very quick overview of the installation process of Embird 2020. Should you need a more detailed guide on the installation, you can simply navigate to this link here, and that will be a full-on tutorial showing you exactly how to install Embird 2020. If you navigate to this particular link here, which I'm going to do now, it will allow you to download Embird 2020. You will also be able to access a free version, a demo version of Embird on this particular page. So if you want to download Embird Embroidery software for Windows 10 and previous versions, this is where you'll find these particular download links. The installation file for 32-bit Windows can be found right here. The installation file for 64-bit Windows for Embird 2020 can be found right here. So what about Mac? How to use Embird on Mac? You can simply come down here, open up the toggle here, and this will explain to you exactly how to go about installing Embird 2020 on your Mac. I'm going to go back to the Upgrade 2020 page to show you that if you would not like to read through all the information on this particular page, there is a quick way of getting to the upgrade process. You simply click on this button here, Upgrade Now. And this will give you a shorter version then, but more to the point. How do I upgrade? And here you can immediately add these amounts directly to your cart. There are new tutorials released now for Embird 2020. There are some tutorials on embird.co.uk, but it is not complete. Should you wish to have complete set of tutorials for Embird 2020 from the installation process and also in regards to the added features and improvements and exactly how to use Embird 2020, then feel free to sign up to our newsletter. You can unsubscribe anytime you'd like and there's no obligation. Should you not wish to enroll to our newsletter, you're welcome to simply click on this button here that says Support. And here you will find the email right here, info@embird.co.uk. Just send us an email and I will be happy to send to you in an email a complete list in regards to the tutorials for Embird 2020. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.